cuties. Welcome to Night Hack Stories, where every story is filled with wonder, kindness, and imagination. Get cozy, relax, and let's begin today's heartwarming adventure, The Bridge of Friendship. Once upon a time, a cheerful girl named Riya lived near a beautiful forest. One morning, after a big storm, Riya went for a walk and discovered that the wooden bridge across the river had been broken. Without the bridge, animals couldn't reach the berry fields on the other side. The rabbits looked worried. The deer looked sad. What will we do? Asked a little rabbit named Pip. Rhea smiled and said, we can build a new bridge, but we'll need everyone's help. The animals agreed. The beavers gathered strong logs from fallen trees. The deer carried the heavy logs to the river bank. The monkeys collected long vines and tied the logs together. The birds flew above, guiding everyone from the sky. All day long, they worked side by side. As the sun began to set, only one huge log remained. Everyone pushed, pulled, and tugged, but it wouldn't move. We can do it, sighed Pip. Ria shook her head. We can if we work together. The animals gathered around the log. One, two, three. Push, pull, lift. At last, the giant log rolled into place. The bridge was complete. The animals cheered with joy. The rabbits hopped across. The deer walked safely over. The birds sang happily in the trees. The wise old owl smiled and said, when everyone helps, even the biggest challenges become easier. Ria and her friends looked proudly at their bridge, knowing they had built it together. From that day on, the bridge became known as the Bridge of Friendship. It reminded everyone that kindness, teamwork, and helping one another can overcome even the biggest challenges. Whenever the animals crossed the bridge, they smiled, remembering the day they worked together to build something truly special. The moral of the story is teamwork makes difficult things possible. When we work together and help one another, we can achieve amazing things. Thank you for watching Night Hug Stories. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more magical bedtime stories filled with kindness, courage, and friendship. We'll see you in our next bedtime adventure. Good night, sweet dreams, and see you soon.